Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Vision with Vidya Burangi. Today our aim is identify RIC of plastic on different plastic material. Look friends, nowadays all of us are facing a major problem of pollution. And all of us know that plastic is one of the abundant pollutant observed in environment. So it is essential to recycle the plastic in proper way. That's why at the bottom of plastic or on any side of plastic we may observe such a symbol. Such a symbol is universal recycle symbol. It indicates that material is having recyclability. This symbol, along with certain chronological order, was developed in 1988 by Plastic Industry Association. RIC means Resin Identification Code. These codes were developed for the purpose of workers who are working in plastic industry and those who are working in recycle industry. This symbol with certain number in it signifies that which type of material is used to prepare that product, and this helps the worker to recycle that plastic more efficiently. See, these are the various resin identification codes which we can able to see maximum at the bottom of plastic container. When RIC code is 1, it indicates that plastic material is made up of polyethylene terephthalate and is recyclable, while recyclability symbol with number 2 indicate that the plastic material is made up of high density polyethylene. It is also recyclable and used to prepare shampoo bottles, water bottles, jugs, etc. The symbol with number 3 signifies polyvinyl chloride. This is used to make PVC pipes and the flooring window or sliding windows, while a recyclable symbol with number 4 indicate that plastic material is made up of low density polyethylene and it is used to prepare shopping bags, soft bottles and squeezable bottles. This symbol we find maximum on the food containers, which is 5. It indicates that the plastic material is made up of PP, that is polypropylene. It is used to prepare certain auto parts, food containers, industrial fibers, etc. Symbol with number 6 signifies polystyrene, and that's why it is written here PS, polystyrene. This plastic is used to make plastic utensils, our CD cases, toys, cafeteria trays, etc. Symbol 7 signifies plastic material like acrylic, nylon, polycarbonate, polylactic acid, and these are used to prepare baby feeding bottle and for CD production. United States Environmental Protection Agency USEPA, these plastic materials having symbol 6, 7 or with no number are not recyclable. To identify RIC, we have taken different plastic materials like soft drink bottle, mineral water bottle, Vaseline body lotion bottle, sanitizer bottle, baby's feeding bottle, empty food container and transparent back cover of cell phone. Find RIC on plastic container. We should observe from all the sides or from the bottom of the container. See here in triangle it is written 1 and below that PET means this plastic material is made up of polyethylene terephthalate. This is mineral water bottle. In recycling triangle the number is 1, means mineral water bottle is made up of polyethylene terephthalate and can be recycled. This is Vaseline body lotion bottle. See here, the RIC on bottle is 2. Means this material is high density polyethylene. This is baby's feeding bottle. At the bottom, RIC is 5, that is polypropylene, and are recyclable. This is empty food container. The RIC is 5. Means it is also made up of PP, that is polypropylene, and is recyclable. This is back cover of our cell phone, and on this there is no symbol, means it is not recyclable. This is PVC pipe, and resin identification code of polyvinyl chloride is 3. So it is also recyclable. See, we have seen various plastic material and RIC at the bottom of that plastic material. Note the plastic material and RIC code on that. If the numbers are below 6, then it is recyclable. Number with 6 and 7 not recyclable, and with no number is also not recyclable. So for baby feeding bottle, the number may be 5 or maybe 7. If it is 5, then it is recyclable, and if the RIC is 7, then it is not recyclable. So complete your observation table in your practical notebook. Now complete your MCQs in your practical notebook. Such a symbol indicate universal recycling. RIC code on cafeteria tray is 6. If RIC code on material is 7, then the material will be polylactic acid. RIC code on auto vehicle part is 5, and code for recycle symbol on different plastic material is RIC.
What indicate if there is no symbol on plastic material?
If there is no recycle symbol on plastic material, then it indicates that plastic material is not recyclable.
What is RIC for beverage bottle?
RIC for beverage bottle is recycle symbol with 1.
Symbol with number 5 signifying which type of plastic material?
Recycle symbol with 5 signifies that plastic material is made up of polypropylene.
Which is RIC for food containers?
We have seen that RIC for food container is 5.
What was the purpose for development of RIC in 1988?
RIC was developed to sort and recycle plastic material more efficiently by the workers in plastic industry.